Okay, I'm going to walk you through how to print your SSR students' course request sign-off sheets. The very first step is to go to your advisor homepage, look for the section that says My Students, and choose View Student List. On this screen, you should see the list of the students in your SSR class. You will want to go to the top, the first student, where it says Please Select, and you'll want to choose Course Planner. Course Planner will bring you to a page that looks like this, and you will need to choose the print option just above Graduation Tracking. You will see a screen that looks something like this. I'm not going to scroll to the top, but it will say Course Request Sign-Off Sheet. And a couple of things before you print. You need to make sure that there is a print line for the parents and the student. If you don't see these print lines, then you will not print the document. If you do see the print lines like what I see here, then I would go ahead and at the top of this page, there is an option to print the document. You'll print it, give it to the student. They will take the document home to get signatures and bring it back to you. Okay, if there are no signatures, or signature lines, that means there's something incorrect with their course planner, or incorrect or incomplete. So a lot of times the information will appear in the notes, so you can look down here to see if there is an issue. There are notes for this student, but the notes are not prohibiting the student from having a complete course planner or where they have requested the classes for next year. Some notes that will not allow the signature lines would be maybe that they haven't chosen all their electives yet, or they've chosen an incorrect class, a class that they can't take because it's not in the sequence that it should be. So if you do not see a signature line here, that means you need to have a conversation with the student to help them figure out why their course planner is incomplete. At the top of this page will be a back key on the left, so you want to hit that back key to get you back to your list of students, and then you can move on to the next student. In order to view the next student, all you have to do is click this right arrow, and it will bring the next student up, and again you would go to the print option to check out their course request sign-off sheet.